In this tutorial, we shall learn how to connect to a Microsoft SQL Server. We will create a simple application consisting of a text box and a submit button. When this submit will be clicked, this data will be stored into a SQL Server database, and we will later on verify that it indeed goes there. For this, first of all, let us see what are the basic steps that are required. The first thing that is required is that your SQL Server instance must be running. It should be running in your Visual Studio. That should be verified, and I'll show you how to verify it in a moment. This is one prerequisite. The second is that we will have to install a package for Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server, and this version should match the version of the project that we are configuring. Like if you are working on Visual Studio 2019, then the version will be 5. If you have compiled it through Visual Studio 2022, then this version number should be 6. Because by default Visual Studio 2022 it compiles to .NET 6 version. So let us now have a look at the project and go through all these steps so that we understand how this can be done. This is a simple project that I have created, and let me first of all start with project properties. And here we can see that this is compiled for .NET, targeted for .NET 5.0. So this we will keep in mind, and let us start by configuring the NuGet packages for this SQL Server. Entity Framework Core MySQL is already there because this is a project that I used for MySQL, so I